we're here on the job site, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Brian with Mendez More Detailing, back at it again with another banger video. So we have maintenance details today. First car up is this 2022 Mercedes GLE, and I believe GLE 350. And the condition is fairly, I would say from 1 to 7 or 1 to 10, it would be probably like a 3.5 for this vehicle. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip my camera, show y'all the condition, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and start washing it. So we did the wheels already because the wheels are always the worst on these Mercedes Benz. So I went ahead and knocked that out before I started recording here. So here's a look at the exterior. So right now you guys can see there's a light layer of dust and debris. This car is kept in the garage here, so it's like always under protection and stuff like that with the garage enclosed. So a little bit of vacuum work in here. The seats are looking fairly good. Let's take a look. You guys are taking a look here with me. This is a maintenance detail, and we come here every 2 weeks for this vehicle. So in case you guys were wondering, every 2 weeks we come out here. So if you follow me on my Instagram page, you'll notice that you see this car quite often because I'm always doing it. And we charge them 60 bucks, so 120 a month for these details here. And I'm already knowing the car and stuff like that. I already get used to it because I do so much, so it shouldn't take me too much time here. Here's a look at the driver's side. Did the wheels already because that's what's gonna take me the most time. And then once I wash it, I'll quickly vacuum it and then give it a quick wipe down. It's actually 9:17, so let's see at what time we finish this vehicle. All right, you guys, so what I have here is Shock It by Majestic Solutions. It's a ceramic spray sealant. So we're just gonna spray this all over the car or the SUV, whatever you guys wanna call it. Just make sure you spray it everywhere. I'm trying to stay close because it's a little breezy and it's windy. So it's kind of just blowing it away. So I'm trying to spray a little close here. All right, now that's good enough. We'll put this right back here and we'll grab our drying towel, which is right here. So we'll start drying. I actually start on this side because the sun is hitting this side way more than the other side. So we'll dry up these windows. You guys see they're drying up there. Dry up the hood. Come back around. ready to go ahead and start vacuuming. So I'm gonna sit this here for a quick second, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my vacuum. All right, YouTube, so we are here at the last car. So as you guys can see, we're doing a full interior cleaning on this car here. So I already started by detailing this door panel here, but you guys can see this thing is really dirty. It's really disgusting, so we got to get it looking right. We have the back doors here. So I already washed the vehicle. You guys can see there's no actual rim, so I just rinsed down the car, foamed it, hand washed it, and I didn't dry it because I didn't want to waste time doing that. So here's a look at the rear. Got some stains there. Needs a good vacuum. Still got some stuff lingering around, but we're gonna take that out the vehicle. So got to detail this door here. You guys can see it's dirty, but yeah, we're gonna shampoo the seats, shampoo the carpets. And right now what I'm doing is actually blowing everything to the rear. So that way I can just start shampooing right here real quick, and then I'll just vacuum the back, or I'll just blow the stuff in the back towards the front. So All right, you guys, so I didn't get to record the last portion there of that last car because I just needed to hurry up and get done because it actually gets super dark already, you guys. So you guys can see I'm actually getting an oil change. Excuse me. I'm actually getting an oil change for my van right now, and then I'm gonna head home. So we're here at Valvoline. So appreciate y'all for watching if you made it this far. Sorry I didn't have any after results and shots for y'all, but hopefully y'all still enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.